Alright, so here is my program. This is the personal expense API, and I'm utilizing MongoDB, Node.js, and hosting it on Render. Alright, so I have previously submitted this only to realize that I needed to make some modification to it, and that is adding another collection, which is the user. So here is my user controllers. So I added validation as well. So I have validation all through it. And then I also have the routes handlers over here. So of course my env file is still active. I have my database and so on and so forth. And this is my swagger.json, and this is where I had issues previously that made the program to run on local host rather than on a live hosted page. So that has been corrected. I have effected that here. So I'll just go on and then fire up my website. Maybe I shouldn't have done it here, but I think I should just say something like node server.js. Let's see what we have. So as that is coming up, I'll quickly just launch my GitHub over here as well. So I'm going to wait for that to load up. Seems there is a little issue. So I have my API here. I could look up this whole thing. So I returned about four of those here. I can look it up. Everything works. I could also look at my expense. And then of course I have these few expense entries here. And I could equally check for API docs, and it's going to load this up with all of the information here. So I don't know why it's not loading up here. It's all not coming up. Let's try render dashboard. Okay, so render is up. I don't know why GitHub is not coming up. Yeah, let's. This is where it is, project2, and this is the link. So yeah, so I could just say API docs. No, okay, so I'm going to try out all of the endpoints. So first for the expenses, which are always ones here, I'm going to come up here, use the get, and I have corrected it here. So this is my live link. So I can come out here and try execute, and it returns the three expenses I have. I can clear that and cancel, close it, and then I can try to um, create a new one. Create a new one, something like this tryout. So title should be machinery purchase. I have the amount here to be 20, okay, 0.87. I don't know what machinery is that. I'll just call it equipment, and then description made a purchase of farming machines. Date to 2026, um, April 21. That's the date. I'll just go ahead. And then when I execute this, it does work. So this is the ID here. This is the ID, and I will just quickly use this to pull it up. Close. So I'll now fetch that particular expense by the ID, like this. Execute. So I have the equipment purchase here. It's right here. So I'm going to clear this and close this up. And I have done that. I'll just go ahead and then still delete it. So go ahead and delete that. So that's basically gone. Let's go. So I'll come up here to get expenses and try out execute. And then there is no machinery purchase over here. It is gone. I will cancel here, close, and then begin to do the same exact same thing for my users. So first I want to do is the users. I want to fetch all the users I have in the collection. So try out. So I have about 4 users here, Ibuka and so on and so forth. And then I'm just going to move to the next point, which is post. So I want to create a new user, create tryout, create a new user. So first name is myself, self Lawrence. My last name is Okon. Email is Okon Lawrence. I prefer Meet Lawrence. Meet Lawrence at outlook.com. And then phone number is plus 234906667. That's my phone number. And then I can execute it like this. And of course, I do have an ID given. So I could use this ID to test here to check if that has been created truly. So right here, sharp. Okay, so I have it here, Oko Lawrence, with everything, all the information I need created properly. And then I have um, an update here. So for the update, I want to quickly update this other user. Where is it? I want to quickly update this user that shares my phone number. This is yeah, Chinasa. So I want to do something like copy the ID. And before that, let me just say check clear execute. Okay, so I have Lawrence. Lawrence is also here. So I'll just come over here to update that record. We'll try it out. It's the UI and execute. Oh no, I didn't do anything. That was an accident. So that's done. I'll just come here. First name is Chidi. Last name is Emeka. Nigeria. Emeka. Email is Chidi to gmail.com. Phone number is +234 810 900 009, and then execute it. Okay, that has been added here. This is it. I'll just go up here just to ensure it's been created right here. So it's been updated rather. So check Claire. It's cute. So I have Chidi Emeka up here with that ID and everything. It's part of it. So what I want to delete right now is Chidi. I want to delete Chidi Okonkwo's account. Uh, so I'll just come up here and of course cancel. Like close all this things. Okay, and then you want to cancel. Okay, delete. That has been done. Try out then. By just selecting this, that should go. So it's been done. No ID for the person. So I'll just come here and check all the users again. Execute. I should have Chidi. Yeah, gone. Chidi's gone. So every other thing is active. That's pretty much everything that was required to do. So, yeah, that's fine. I could just close users user. Um, just check this. I don't know why the GitHub never came online. Since GitHub doesn't come up, I'll just look up the MongoDB. They're not all coming up. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, however, I will just proceed to end this here.